gaano po kahirap at ka-challenging ngayong pag-resume impeachment, budget, dami yung priority bills.
Schedule,
Opo, lahat.
tulog na maaga.
Opo. Yun ang gagawin niyo, SP.
Solusyon.
Opo.
Solusyon, stay healthy, matulog na maaga, mag-aral.
But how will you
Research.
be dealing with all of these, SP, with the impeachment and budget and everything?
Well, it's part of the job. Sinumpaan natin ito, so
Oo.
we must do it.
Will it be better kung mabilis nang matapos yung impeachment ni VP Sara para po makafocus na kayo?
Lahat ng bagay mas mabuting matulis. Whether it's the impeachment trial or the sessions of the Senate or the legislation, priority legislation. Lahat siyempre mas mabuting mas mabilis.
Oo. Pero
But
kakaya,
of course, mabilis pero hindi mapapabayaan ng mga laman.
tingin nyo kaya nyong gawin yung priority na sinabi ni SP Win with the impeachment pa on the
Okay,
side?
so yeah, we have to do our best, not only try, but do our best.
Until what time mga sessions kaya, SP?
Depende. Kaya namin binaliktad you notice.
Oo, bakit nga
Inuna
po?
namin ang impeachment trial para mayroong cut-off. Kasi pag walang cut-off, masyadong maraming, alam mo, tapos yung session, hindi bale. Madali kami mag-adjust din sa session. So, pwede humaba, pwede ma-extend, kung may mga pinag-uusapang mahirap, masalibungan. Pero pagdating yung mas maaga kami matapos, pwede rin. So, dahil session yun. Dahil mahirap. So, kailangan may cut-off.
Sir, what do you hope from Tasara?
Ano?
Ano po gusto niyo marinig from Tasara?
Dahil, pakinggan muna natin. Pakinggan muna natin. Marami tayong dapat marinig.
Sir, any comment lang dun sa pinost ni Senator Pia about
Actually, I'd rather not comment on any of that because I'm now the chairman of the Committee on Ethics, so I will I'll just await the developments.
Pero pwedeng may mag-file sa inyo, sir?
Probably. There are pending, there are pending complaints, So, binana ko yun from Senator Ejercito, maybe. So, I plan to call for a hearing very soon para may kung ano yung matapos namin.
Thank you po.
Okay.